Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, and this is Sitecore Interview Question video series. Today's question is: what are the key differences between connected mode and disconnected mode in Sitecore? Connected mode. So we have talked about the connected and disconnected mode in the developer workflow. So what is actually a connected mode and what is actually a disconnected mode? That we will see. A connected mode involves developing your JSS application with a direct or real-time connection to a Sitecore instance. This mode allows you to utilize Sitecore backend services, content management features, and API during the development. So in content mode, basically you are connected. Your front end is directly connected to the Sitecore. Okay, your JSS application is directly connected to the Sitecore, and you are working on the real-time data or a real-time templates. Okay, this mode also allows you to utilize the Sitecore backend services like personalization or maybe any Sitecore feature which is available in Sitecore. You can utilize that. Now, what is disconnected mode? Disconnected mode allows developer to work on the JSS application independently of a Sitecore instance. Content and templates are defined in a static JSON file or a code, and the application is developed and tested locally without needing Sitecore. So disconnected mode is basically you are developing your application separately. It is not connected to the Sitecore. There is no relation between Sitecore and your app. Okay, but your app is built in the JSS API, so JSS framework, JSS packages. So you are building the JSS application which is compatible with the Sitecore but not connected to the Sitecore, and that can be done by using the static or a proxy files in your application, and these are done only for a local development. Okay, so it is tested locally without needing any Sitecore. So connected mode, basically the highlights is requires a running Sitecore instance. It has a real-time data from Sitecore, full use of Sitecore content management features, fully integrated, supports in content context editing, and can be slower due to the dependency on Sitecore. Whereas disconnected mode, no Sitecore instance needed during the development. Static JSON file or a code-based data. So data which is used is completely static. Limited to the mock data during the development. So you are using the mock data for development of your application. Not available testing done in local environment, and faster as it is independent of a Sitecore. Now, choosing between connected mode and disconnected mode depends on development workflow, project requirement, and the stages of the project. Where are you? Your project is, where is your project? Depending on that, also your mode will change. So, disconnected mode is generally often used during the initial stages of a development. Okay, so disconnected mode is often used during the initial stages of the development to accelerate the front-end work, whereas the connected mode is leveraged for integration testing and final deployment to ensure everything is works seamlessly with a Sitecore backend. So if you want to speed up the development, we will use the disconnected mode for your JS developers. Okay, and at the end, to see whether everything is working fine within the Sitecore and your application, then you can use the connected mode. If you want to know more details of this topic, then please check out video link displayed on the screen. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell for latest updates. Thank you for watching.